Good evening everyone. So what's happening to gold right now? Hindi natin anticipate na bababa siya sa Lunes kasi nung previous video I was thinking that hindi mabibreak yung 1919 but yun nga, maybe lang di natin masyadong clear yung funda na behind this move is I think the Treasury yields yung tumaas yung Treasury yields around 4.5 or 4.6%, highest since 2011 ata yun, or 2007 yun sa nabasa ko, and then lumakas yung DXY kahapon. Maybe that was the catalyst for this bearish move. So it is a very big bearish candle dito. So nung nabasag yung 1919, di ba 1919 tayo nag-stop gains. So nabasag siya. That's a very significant nabasag. So tingnan natin dito. I-plot natin si 1919 for us to see clearly kung ano yung sinasabi ko sa inyo. Try natin. 0. Okay. Yan. Dito siya, hindi siya nasalo. So, this push has a volume na push. That's the London, the New York plus the London closing na push. So, I don't think that the price would retake this 1920 level just now. Depends on the data ilalabas yung mga data since piniperceive na ng market na hawkish ang message ng last FOMC meeting. So, I guess the narrative that the US economy is bad is parang iniitsapwera ng market ngayon since the DXY is very high. Nasa 106 na siguro yun ngayon. Hindi ko na-check yung chart. So there is a short-term strength for the dollar. So it's very risky na mag-buy sa mga oras na ito and sa panahon na ito. I'm just thinking na dito siguro, here, if this 1910 would hold, I don't know if this holds ngayong araw na to, maybe it will break down further. So, maghanap tayo ng sell entries mamaya. So, tingnan lang natin, no? So, for initially, dito sa nakikita ko ngayon sa structure na ginagawa ni gold is that this cluster of candles will easily be broken mamaya sa NY session. And I'm thinking this 1903 will be retested, yung low na yan. So, if ever, yun yung retest yan, then we can see prices consolidate here sa 1903 to 1907. So, dyan yung magiging target landing nitong drop na to. And yeah, that is if yung structure ng 1910 is mababasag during the New York Open. Okay, looking at the 30-minute candle, looking at the H4. So makita natin sa H4, yun nga yung cluster of candles na to is I could think that it could be easily broken. Mababreak to mamaya. So we can have a 1903 na testing. So here, consolidate yung price and I'm expecting na mag-close siya dyan sa bandang level na yan. So looking at the daily candle, hindi pa siya nag-create nung support since nabasag na yung 1919 support dito sa daily. Here this nabasag na siya. So yeah, it's a bearish trend ngayon so far. So this is the next support to break is the 1907 or the 1910 psychological level dito. Kasi dito nag-breakout yan dati. So if this does not hold during the volume hours, we can see the price going down to 1903. First dito sa 1903 then it could retest this 1900 low and even here sa 1897 low. So for tonight sa New York session, we'll be looking for sells. Okay, as of the moment, wala pa akong makita magandang entry because it's very risky to enter ngayon because dito, hindi natin gagamitin si Sogi King ngayon. We will be using the SGC or the breakout strategy or yung black meteorite natin. So, here we can see na pinush niya konti papuntang 1915. That is a 50 pip push. But the daily didn't turn bullish at that moment. Diba? Dito yung turning point niya is the 1916. So if ever that 1916 will be revisited before the New York session, there's a chance na mapupush up to kasi around 50 pips na to na move niya. So from the opening 1916 to 1911, that's only 50 pips. We still have a 100 pip possible move. So saan yung 100 pip? That is the 1906 here. So kaya niyang i-retest to during the New York and London session because 50, kailangan parang 100 pips more. So 1916, around 1900, kaya niyang abutin sa New York session. Saan tayo maghahanap nung sells? Okay. Ito yan. I want this candle. Ito, papasok na yung alas 7. I want this candle to close bearish. And then the following candle will be bullish. So it created a higher low. Low dito, another low here. And then it will try to push and get this London high sa 1915. Just like kahapon ginawa niya before it went down again. Okay, so parang nag-liquidate siya. Ito yun, sabi ko. It created a lower high, then pushed and retake this London high before it went down. Okay, so I expect ganun din mangyayari dito. It will create a higher low dito, a higher low here. So pagpasok ng alas 7, pwede nyo siyang i-buy ng saglit, i-scalp nyo siya, and then eventually, if hindi mabasag yung 1916, it could break down up to the 1900 level. So napaka gandang chance yun. Kung pupunta dito sa 1916, we could talpak a sell sa 1916 or 1915 or even here sa 1914. So that's a good position to have a sell. And then yung magiging stop loss natin is the 1919. So kung nasa 1914 siya, 1919 yung stop loss is around 50 pips, and then the possible win would be 150 pips. So that's a 1:3 ratio. So magandang entry yon. So if you plan to sell this one, small lot size, and then 1914, you can enter here at the 1914, stop loss at the 1919, that's around 50 pips, and then your target would be the low here, the 1902. Kahit na matagal yung hintayan, this is a sell, so meron kang positive swap. So as of the moment, kung sa 1911 ka and then 19, and if ever ma-break yung 1916 at magpunta siya sa 1919, that would be a malaki yun, 90 to 80 pips stop loss. So kung kaya mong tiisin yun, and then your reward would be around 100 pips. So masyadong parang ano lang, 1:1 ka lang. So as of the moment, wala muna tayong entry for sells. So atin dito is hintayin natin siyang mag-create ng higher low dito sa 30 minutes. So ngayon alas 7, mag-create ng higher low dito, and then maybe it push the price 1914. Sa 1914 tayo mag-sell. Okay? So I'll update you sa Telegram. So I hope you get something out of this video. Yeah, masyado na mahaba, and yes, hope na tingnan natin sa market, magbabago yung structure niya mamaya. So it depends on the sentiments and the news that will come out later on. So tingnan natin kung ano yung mga latest na updates. So for now, gold evening sa lahat, and God bless, and I hope you have a profitable day today. So manage your risk. So accept that there will be days that you will lose. Okay. If you have winning days, maximize the winning days and minimize the losing days. Like minimize the risk. Like example, 50 pips lang, try 50 pips. Okay. So good luck everyone, and God bless.